Ito next smartwatch na i-review natin is one of my personal favorite, ang Huawei GT series. Right now, nasa 5th iteration na sila and this is the GT 5 Pro. I heard there's a lot of improvement on this one, lalo na this time around, mas fashionable na siya. And dinagdagan din nila ang mga health function dito, making me more health conscious pa. Plus, dinagdagan din nila ang workout modes dito and there's one highlighted na workout dito sa loob na exercise, which is golf. We'll talk more about that after this quick intro. Now, itong Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro na may 46mm na dial and a rubber strap comes with a regular price point of 17,999. And of course, meron din siya mas premium na variant which is the titanium version and mas mahal siya at 24,999. More details on the description box below kung saan na pwede mabili. Now, one of the first things sa sobrang love ko dito sa kanya is ang kanyang design. And I would say that it has improved over from my GT4. And nung nabasa ko spec sheet na itong watch na ito, this is made out of aerospace grade na titanium alloy, which makes it very lightweight, probably even lighter than aluminum. Now, another improvement dito sa kanya is mabilis na tanggalin ang iyong watch strap para mapalitan. Dati, you need to unlatch it and medyo pahirapan ibalik. So this time around, meron na siya push button dito. And all you need to do is just push to release. Pag ibabalik, ganito lang, and it's so effortless. And another big improvement for me is that itong watch na ito is more fashionable. Before, it used to be a little bit more sporty. But this time around, I don't mind wearing itong watch na ito to mga formal events. Kahit formal attire, pwede mo suotin itong watch na ito. Personally, gamit ko tong watch na ito for 3 weeks already. And I really love yung kanyang battery life dito. 14 hours ang promise ni Huawei and based on my experience, kaya nang abutin ng 14 days. Walang problema dito sa watch na ito. Normally, on the other series, older series, or lalo si iWatch, alam naman natin, 1 day pa lang charge ka na. Ito, ay grabe, ang kuna. 2 weeks bago ko chinarge tong watch na ito. And mga naka-turn on dito sa watch na ito is mga very basic na function, heart rate monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring. And another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa watch ito is pwedeng ka mag-control ng mga music mo dito and you can also use this one as a key card. Pag meron kang NFC card ng mga condo unit ninyo, and pwede mo na siyang gamitin pambukas ng pinto. Naka-pair dito sa akin ang aking beep card kaya nagagamit ko siya sa LRT and MRT. And another good news, pretty soon magkakaroon din ng integration ng GCash dito sa loob ng watch na ito. So watch out for that. One of the things na sobra kong gamit dito is ang kanyang Bluetooth calling. Whenever times na I find it hard na hawakan phone ko para tumawag, all I need to do is just simply push the answer button and kakausapin ko na kung sino man tumawag sa akin on this watch. Very convenient, I would say. Medyo bulgar nga lang kasi rinig ng lahat ng taong pinag-usapan ninyo. And itong watch nito is the industry's first ever to be able to get a IP69K na rating. Meron siyang certain heat resistance, water resistance, and also corrosion resistant. Pwede ka mag-free diving up to 40 meters dito sa watch na ito. So that's good news for divers. And of course, kung gusto mo i-maximize ang iyong Huawei GT 5 Pro, don't forget to connect it sa iyong Huawei Health app. Dito sa app na ito, mamamonitor mo lahat ng different exercises na ginawa mo, lahat ng stats mo, be it health or be it your workout mode, lahat naka-record dito. Even pagpalit ng watch face, pwede rin dito sa app na ito. Just simply pair it and you're good to go. So right now, i-navigate ko kayo dito sa watch na ito. Let's see all of the functions na pwede mo magawa dito on this Huawei GT 5 Pro. Now guys, right now, focus lang tayo sa mga things na pwede magawa dito sa watch na ito. So kita natin, this is yung kanyang default na watch face. I would say it looks pretty nice and yung mga basic na gusto ko makita lahat na dito sa watch face na ito. And I would say, ang ganda rin ng pagkagawa dito sa design ng kanyang dial. Though, hindi nga lang siya naiikot. Yun lang siguro, probably one of the downside lang dito sa kanya. And one big improvement na nakita ko dito sa watch na ito is the way na pwede mo tanggalin ng kanyang watch strap. So, all you need to do is just press na dito and hihilahin mo. Gano'ng kabilis lang, no? Unlike before, kailangan mo hilahin isang side, kailangan mo saktuhin, then bago mo siya matatanggal. This time around, ganun na lang siya, oh. Ang bilis. It made my life a lot easier, removing yung strap. Yung version ko dito is yung regular watch strap, the color black. It's a rubber strap, and I would say that okay, ang kanyang design, okay din ang aking feel sa aking kamay. Hindi naman ako nangangati dito sa strap na ito, like the other watch strap na meron ni Huawei. And you'll see a Huawei logo printed dito. And you'll find two controls dito. May isang crown tayo dito, and there's another button down here. Now, i-navigate muna natin dito sa watch na ito. If you drop down, you see all of this menu na nandito na quick access menu. So you can use your flashlight, you can put this watch to sleep, do not disturb, pwede ka mag-set the alarm clock, and you can drain the water out from this watch after taking a swim. Now, if you want to change your watch face, it's very easy. Hold mo lang itong screen na ito, and you can change all of the watch face na gusto nyo. No? And some of this watch face looks pretty nice, and probably this might be a good watch face if runner ka or if you're a triathlete. Now you swipe over to the right, makita mo ang weather report, and you can play some music on your phone or play some music directly from your watch kasi may storage to, by the way. And if you swipe over to the other side, makita mo ang iyong exercise ring dito, how many times na tumayo throughout the day, how much calories you burn, and of course yung pedometer din as well. Now, this is something new, ang emotion, no? It will show you yung emotions mo for the whole day, kung pleasant nga ba, unpleasant nga ba, or just neutral. Most of the time na nakukuha ko dito is neutral and unpleasant, no? So, I think nagda-drive siguro ako nun, kaya unpleasant, no? Anyway, so swipe over na natin to this other side. This is probably one of my favorite na slide. Lahat nandito na, skin temperature, pwede mo rin tingnan emotion mo dito, makita mo stress level mo dito, makita mo rin yung sleep monitoring mo dito, plus yung blood oxygen level, plus yung iyong heart rate nandito rin sa ibabaw. Hindi ko lang sa suit right now, so wala ka makita heart rate. So swiping it over to this other slide, pang mga events na, pwede ka tumawag din dito. You can make a quick phone call over here. You can check your calendars kung meron kang mga upcoming events. Very convenient siya, guys. And on this ring, makita natin ating step counter, and ito yung mga preset na mga workout modes na meron dito, like walking, running, biking, and of course swimming. On this other slide, makita mo yung mga data natin from the moon. So if you press this button down here, diretso ka sa workout mode. There's a lot of workout modes dito, more than 100 workout modes na pwede mong gamitin. So you have swimming, cycling, golf, no? Probably one of the featured na exercise dito is golf, which we'll take a quick look later, though hindi ako golfer. Meron din siya triathlon, and meron siyang rowing, and meron ka rin custom. Let's take a quick look dito sa golf, though. So I can choose course mode or driving range. So ganito maging itsura natin ng yung watch, no? If you're playing golf. So yan, makita mo lahat, no, ng data na kailangan mo makita: swing tempo, backswing, downswing, and swing speed, no? So these are some of the things na pwede mo makita dito sa kanya. So if you're ending it, just long press yung kanyang crown and matatapos na yung workout. So if you swipe up naman, makita mo some of the notification na makita mo. Sinasabi na sa'yo, bad mood ka, take a deep breath. So it's nice, no? Na there's something new dito, which is yung emotions, that you control your emotion, no? Parang inside out lang. Parang si anger lang to sa inside out 2. Now, so right now guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo some of the health function na meron dito sa GT5 Pro. So let's just simply press yung crown, i-scroll natin ng ganito, i-rotate natin para makita natin yung names ng mga apps na nandito. So you'd see itong emotional well-being. Yan. 49 minutes ago, neutral ang aking emotion. No? So this is what you'll be seeing dito sa watch. And by the way guys, meron din pala akong naka-install dito, the beep card ko dito. And it works though. Whenever I ride MRT, LRT, all I need to do is just simply tap ito watch ko sa terminal, no? And gagana na siya. Ganun ka okay itong watch na ito, which is very convenient for me. Now we have our blood oxygen monitoring din. If you're monitoring, just keep still and it will measure blood oxygen level mo, no? Best is above 80, no? If you're below 80, go and consult your doctor. So I got a 96. 6. So wala akong sleep record right now kasi kaka-reset lang ng oras. So it's just 12 o'clock right now. Now this is the Stay Fit na app. It lets you know how many calories you burn, kung caloric deficit ka or if you're having excess calories. Makita mo dito sa magdidictate ka dito kung how much calories you burn and how much calories you intake. Parang my fitness app lang siya. So dito may a-add yung mga intake mo. So para ma-compute niya, kasi nako-compute niya ang calories burn mo pero hindi niya nako-compute ang calories intake mo. This is very helpful kung nagtatrack ka ng mga macros mo. We also have yung golf mode natin na pinakita ko sa inyo a while ago. This is the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. Chine-check niya yung pulse mo, no? Kung meron siyang na-detect na abnormalities, na heartbeat sa'yo, i-report this sa'yo, no? So, there are time to time nakakuha ako ng mga irregular na mga report dito na pulse arrhythmia detected, ganun. So, you just have to be careful na you have to rest on time, no? So, para you'll be able to keep yourself healthy all the time. So far right now, wala namang abnormalities na nakita. If you want to take a screenshot, just press these 2 buttons sabay and it will take a screenshot for you. Now you have your heart rate, which is akin nakaset ako ng 24 hours monitoring. Meron din siya ECG dito, which pag sinet mo, hawakan mo lang ang itong node na ito sa ilalim, no? So for 30 seconds, just stay still. Okay, so ito ang result natin and let's just quickly take another screenshot. Now the last one na papakita ko sa inyo is arterial stiffness detection, no? So papakita lang na sa dito kung merong stiffness sa inyong mga arteries doon, just to give you an idea what's happening inside your body. So yun, makita natin na normal naman ang ating stiffness, no? Wala namang siya nakitang irregularity sa aking arteries. So take another screenshot like that. So yun guys, nakita na the different health measures na pwede niyang pakita sa iyo on this watch. Really amazing na smartwatch itong GT 5 Pro ni Huawei. So yan guys, nakita mo na everything na pwede mo magawa dito sa watch na ito. I would say it's pretty incredible, plus yung ganong fashion design. Talagang okay na okay siya bitbitin anywhere you go, be it sa casual event, be it sa formal event, pwede mong suotin itong watch na ito. Hindi ka basta-basta mapapahiya kasi itong watch na ito looks very luxurious. And by the way guys, available din pala to sa 42mm para sa mga babae, and I'll be posting the link on the description box below kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong Huawei GT5 Pro. So kung marami ka natutunan dito sa video na ito, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito, and for one of my popular uploads, click here.